Hi, today I'm going to explain how to read all types of Rubik's Cube algorithm. Let's start. There are letters and primes. Each letter controls a movement, and each prime reverses the meaning of the letter. R means right. You have to turn your right side. L means left. You have to turn your left side. U means up. You have to turn your upper face. D means down. You have to turn your bottom face. F means front. You have to turn your frontal face. B means back. You have to turn your back face. E is the central layer. M is the central column. S is the central sideline. Every time that you find the number 2, you have to rotate the same face 2 times. How to take the cube? Imagine to have white part to the upper face and the red one in front of you. With letter X, turn the cube, bringing the red face over. With letter Y, turn the cube, bringing the blue face in front instead of red. With letter Z, turn the cube, bringing green face in the top.